to my channel. My name is Rachel, hence Raecreates. So if you like to create stuff and you like to experiment with stuff, you're exactly in the right place. So guys, it is that exciting time of the year, which is
that unforgettable summer of dinner.
Exactly. It is summertime. I know a lot of us are excited about summer. Well, here in Nigeria, God says summer like that too, but that heat is killing. Especially these days. It's really so hot in Lagos. I don't understand what is going on. I don't know how people who are living in Sokoto or Maduguri are doing it. So guys, with summer being back, straw bags are back again in full force, and they come in different colors, as you can see guys. Like, I'm so excited about this DIY. So let's get right to the video.
Guys, I'm going to leave a list of all the materials needed in the description box, so please be sure to check them out because there are other materials you need for this DIY. So, depending on the size of your placemat, the first thing you need to do is figure out how wide or how long you want your site to be. I put a screenshot of the exact size that I used. So the next thing you want to do is cover up the chipboard. After you've cut it into sides, is to cover it up with lining after you figure out how it will fit on the placemat. So I did a top and bottom. The top is smaller and the bottom is bigger. So I then cover it up with lining. I then got the Ankara that I was going to use and also cut it out to fit both the top and bottom, both my top and bottom pieces. I used a glue gun to attach the Ankara to my top and bottom pieces. I already glued the bottom piece to the placemat, but I'm going to show you how to glue the top piece. Because of the kind of mechanism we want to do, the open and close mechanism, you want to ensure that the top piece fits perfectly well into the bottom piece. I then glued it on top of the placemat. Next thing you want to do is join the top piece and the bottom piece just by the side. We have like an open and close mechanism. You can actually stop here if you like, but I wanted to go further by lining the whole inside of the bag. So I cut out enough lining to line the inside of the bag. Then using an old belt, I created an handle for the bag.
Guys, if you like this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. The subscribe button is somewhere down here. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share the video with your friends and family members, and if you have questions, please do let me know in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys, peace.